Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we just created this login part of my hotel management system project. If you are not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, we are going to create a new JFrame for this forget password. So let's start with that. Let's close this application and let's create a new JFrame form for that. So JFrame form here, forgot password. Okay, click on finish. You can see page has been created and we have to increase the sizes to 1366, 768 according to my screen size. Okay, after that we have to insert here, move to the center of this page, and after that we have to insert a label here. Okay, label here, and here we have to write forgot password. Okay, and we have to insert a question mark at the end. Okay, so first we are going to insert a button to exit this application. After that we will design the form. So here we have to select the close.png and we also need to remove this name and just close this, and we have to decrease to 30, and after that we have to place it here, and after that we have to move to the center of this page again, and let's move a little bit down here. Okay, after that we have to save this. Okay, after that we have to insert a new label, and here we rename it as email. Okay, after email the next label is for security question, so I'm just writing T question. Okay, after security question the next label is for answer. I think, yeah, it's answer. After answer, the last label we are going to use for the password, that is our new password. So just write here new password. Okay, so we also need a text field for this, so just take a text field for all. Okay, text field, and let's increase the size to 300. Okay, and for the, okay, one more thing, we also need one more button here to search. So I'm just writing here search. Like whenever we enter the email address, after that we have to click on this search to security question. After that we have to answer, and we have to write the new password. Okay, after that let's insert the next two three text fields here. So text field 2, after that we have to insert text field 3. Okay, and at last we have to inserting text field 4. Okay, and we have to insert the buttons here. So button 1, and this button is to for the save, or you can say change. So I'm just writing here save. After that we have to insert two more button. So the next button is for sign up, and the last button we are going to use it for, that one is for the login. So login. Okay, okay, it's automatically decreases size, so move it little bit right, and here just write login. Okay, this will not affect this, and let's make it here. Okay, let's save this and let's change the layout to absolute layout first. After that save this page and let's select this all. Okay, not this, this. Okay, we can also select like this way. You can see all get selected except this forget password, and after we have to go to the properties and we have to make it as bold 12. Click on OK, just close this, and let's move a little bit right this one. Okay, and let's save this, and we have to increase the sizes to 24, bold 24. Okay, and we have to close this, and let's move a little bit up this one, and after that one more thing, we need to change the color of this button. So we have to select this all, and we have to go to the properties, and first we have to change this to white, and after that we have to change the background to this one color. Okay, just close this, and after that we have to also need to remove this text fields. So one by one we are going to remove this text fields values. Okay, and the last one is remove this. Okay, after that we have to save this, And after that we have to move here and we have to insert a label here. We already changed the layout to absolute layout. After that we have inserted a label here and we have to select the image, that is forget password.png image, and just close this. Before do anything we just need to double click on this image, and here you can see the label. So just press the backspace and click on this page and press Ctrl S, save this page. You can see the label it get removed. Okay, and here just make it as full screen and move, and just we have to move the position of this. Okay, so let's select one by one every field or every label, or you can say button, uh 3 to 1 and this. Okay, and we have to make it to the center of this. Okay, now it's looking good, and we have to change the color of this labels to the white. So just right click on this, go to the properties, and we have to change this colors to white. Okay, close this. Now it's looking good. So first we are going to write the code for this close this form. So just double click on this and move to the login page, and we just need to copy the code from this login page here. We just need to copy this code and we have to paste it in this event. Okay, and just okay and save this. Now let's run this and let's check it. Okay, one more thing we again forget, we forget to remove the min max close button. So just open the navigator and let's move to the design section, and here you can see all the labels, and just go to the properties of JFrame, and here we just need to click on this and decode it. Okay, just close this and save it here, and let's run this again, run file, and we are able to see that form. You can see we are able to see this form at full screen. Okay, let's close this, and let's move this button little bit right. Okay, I think this is not that much. Okay, yeah, this look great. Okay, leave it, we will fix it a little bit in by increasing the size. Okay, now it's look great. Okay, it's moved a little bit up, and after that we have to write the code for this save button. So just double click on this and you can see the event has been generated. But before saving, we have to search that email security question. So we have to just double click on this. Okay, so event get generated. So let's remove this event because we are following the sequence one by one, so that's why we are going to remove this event. Okay, and save this, and we have only one event. So first we are going to declare a variable, that is string email, and press semicolon. Okay, at the end, and this event, in we are writing the code in that search button event. And here first we need to declaring a variable in check is equals to 0. Okay, after that we have to write email dot j text field. We are using text field 1 for get text for email address. Okay, so if email is blank, it means that it does not contain any letter. In that case we have to display a message. So for that we are just writing this line of the code, that is check. First we are writing check is equals to 1. At the end it will also display one more message that like email does not exist. That's why we are using check here. So here we are increasing the value to check 1, that in that case that message will be not visible. Okay, so G option pan dot show message and null, and here we just need to write email field is required. Okay, and after that we have to write the else condition, and in this we are going to create a result set. Okay, we are not getting any option because we did not imported anything. So first we are going to import import java.sql asterisk. Okay, after that we also need to import few other things that in related to project. So I'm just going to import this and asterisk. so that we can import both, like we want here select as well as insert, update and delete part. So that's why we are calling the both. Okay, after that we will again move here and let's press control and spacebar. You can see we are getting the option result set. Just press enter here. After that we have to write rs equals to, and here we just need to call the select. You can see this one, select.java. This we are going to call this get data. Okay, so select dot get data, this one. And in this we just need to pass that email address, sorry, we just need to pass that query here. So select star from users where email is equals to in singles double plus plus email. Okay, and after that we have to write try catch block, and here we just need to write exception e. Okay, after that in this we just need to display the message whatever we will get the error. So message, and here we just need to write null. Okay, after that in the try block we have to write if rs.next, and in this we just need to write like if condition is satisfied, it means that that email address is exist. So in that case we have to first we need to make it as check is equals to 1. Okay, after that we have to make jtext field 2 dot set editable editable editable. Here we have to make it as false. Okay, and we also make a jtext field 1 dot set editable false. Okay, and after that we have to make a jtext we have to set some value to jtext field 1 sorry 2, right? I think this one is our jtext field 2. So let's go to the properties and check it. You can see the text field 2 it is. So now here we have to set the value, so set text here, and here we just need to write rs.get string, and here we just need to pass the value 4. Okay, so fourth one is for like I think security question, that's why we are passing the value 4. Okay, after that let's move a little bit down, and we have to check for the if condition. If check is equals to 0, it means that that user does not exist. So joptionpan dot show message, and here we just need to pass the null, and here we just need to write the message. So in correct email, here we just need to pass the message. So let's check it like it's working or not. So it's running. Okay, let's try with the email does not exist. Okay, let's go for search. You can see we are getting a message that incorrect email. Okay, let's try with the correct email address. So gaurav@gmail.com. Let's search it. You can see we are able to see a security question. What was your first car? So it means that this search button is working fine. Now we have to write the code for this answer and new password. So let's close this application and let's move it here. Let's move to the design section and just double click on this save button. Okay, right? And let's move a little bit up. And here we are going to again declare one more variable, that is check is equals to 0. And after that we have to declare few more variable, that is security question equals to jtext field, and that's 2 dot get text, right? After that we have to string answer, we have to declare another variable jtext field, that's 3. After that we have to get text value, and here we have to just pass the value. Okay, get text, sorry, answer. After that we have to set the new password equals to jtext field, we are getting the password. Okay, one more thing we did here wrong, that is like we are setting the password here, so the password should be not in the jtext field. that should be in the password form. So we have to make few changes here. So first we need to delete this image here, and after that we have to delete this field from here, and we have to insert the J password field here, and let's increase the size of this. And after that we have to go to the properties, and let's say we have to increase the sizes to bold 12. Okay, just close this, and after that we have to edit this text and remove this and save it here. And after that we have to again insert a label here, and we have to go to the properties, and we have to set the icon, that is our forget password, and just close this and move it here. Okay, and just double click out and remove this label name and press ctl space s to save it. Okay, now we are getting the error. So let's say J password, you can see we are getting J password dot get text. Okay, and here, and after that we have to check these two fields should not be blank. So for that we are checking answer dot equals, and here we have to just show blank, and or new password dot equals, and here we just need to pass this. Okay, and after that we need to increase the check value. Check is equals to 1, and we have to display the message option pan dot show message, and here we just need to write null, and here we just need to delete this, and here we just need to write all field is required. Okay, right? And let's leave it, don't try this for now. Let's write the code for else condition. Okay, so in the else condition, first we are going to use the result set to get we have to check that the email address, sorry, the username. Let's move to the design section, and let me show you what I want to say. So when we get email address and security question, then we have to that user have to enter the answer. So we have to check that answer is correct or not. So for that we are going to use the result set. So result set here, and rs equals to select. We are going to call this class select class, and in that we have a get data method. Okay, so in that we have to write select star from users where email is equals to single double plus plus, and here we just need to pass the email. Okay, and after email few more things we need to check, and we have to check also the security question match with that. We have a security question that will match definitely, but we have to match with answer, that answer is matching or not. So let's write here, we will going to match everything. So let's match the security question first, and security question is equals to single double plus plus security question. You can see here, let's minimize this so that you are able to see it correctly. Okay, after security questions, and answer is equals to single double plus plus answer. You can see answer is written over here. Okay, after that we have to move to the next line, try catch block. Okay, and here move little bit right to see this, and here we just need to write exception e. Okay, after that okay, we also need to display the error. So here we just need to write j option pan dot show message null. Okay, over here, after that we have to write for try block. So if rs dot next is if condition is satisfied, it means that we are able to select the correct user. It means that that user is enter the answer is correct. So in that case, the first thing is we have to check is equals to 1. it means that the incorrect answer, the message is not visible. So after that we have to set visible. Okay, okay, one more thing to do before doing this. We have to update our database with the new password. So that is will be the correct way. So let's update that. So for that we have to call a class that is insert update and delete class, and in this we have to pass the query as well as message. So let's call this class insert. Okay, you can see insert update delete, and just press dot. You can see select data we get here, and in this we are going to pass first a query, update query. Okay, here we have to write update users set password is equals to single double plus plus, and here we just need to write password. Okay, we have a new password, I guess. Yeah, new. Okay, why it's no new is not visible here over here. Okay, we are getting error, so just remove this and just write it this. Our new password, you can see error get removed. After that we have to write here where clause where email is equals to single double plus plus email. Okay, and we also need to display message here, so I'm just writing password set success. Here we have to write successfully. Okay, right. After that we have to just move to the next line, and here we just need to refresh this page. So set visible, and here we just need to write here false. After that we are showing the new visible, that is our forget password page, and dot set visible, and here we just need to write true. Okay, right. And after this we have to check one more condition, that is if check is equals to 0, and here we just need to write g option pan dot show message here, and here we just need to write null, and here we just need to show incorrect answer. Okay, so let's run this and let's check it's working fine or not. Okay, let's run this, and okay, here we are. So let's write Gaurav at the rate gmail.com. Let's go for search, and here it's showing our security question. So the answer is Audi. Let's say write Audi1, and let's try to save it. We are getting all field is required. It means that we also need to set the password. So here I'm just writing 1 2 3 4. Let's try to save this. Okay, incorrect answer. We are getting the message right now. Let's try with Audi, and let's click on save. You can see we are getting a message password set successfully. It means that it's working fine. Let's click on OK. You can see it gets refreshed. Let's close this application. Okay, we also need to connect all the pages with sign up and login, or you can see other pages. So let's start with that. Let's close this application, and let's move to the this design section, and this one is for the sign up. So just double click on this. Okay, and let's copy these 2 lines of the code. Okay, and let's paste it here. Okay, delete this part, space, and here we just need to remove this, and here we just need to write sign up, okay, this one, and just press enter and save this. Just copy this part and open other pages. This one design, the second one is for sign up. So just double click on this and generate the event and paste it here, and open one more page. That one is our sign up. Okay, and here we have to write the for the login. So one by one we are going to do that. So I just paste it here, and here we just need to write login. Okay, And the another event is for I think forget password. So just paste it here and just delete this and forgot password here. Okay, so I think sign up is done. So remove this, and for forget password we will move it here. Okay, so this one is a login page, so just paste it here and delete this and forget password here. Okay, after I think the sign up for event is generated, so leave it login page. And after that we have a login page here. We have to connect this, so just paste it here and delete this part, and here just write login. Okay, so I think every page is connected, so just run this and let's check it out. It's every other page is visible or not. Let's go to the sign up page. Here you can see we are able to move to the sign up. Let's go to the login page. Yeah, we are able to move to the login page. Forget password. Every page is visible. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's close this application. So this is all about forget password of hotel management system project. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.